Hi, welcome to the new section on Python programming. So in this video, we are going to take a look at list slicing to query part of an array. So I'm going to create a list of array of numbers, and then I'm just going to do the list slicing, how we can able to divide the numbers, or how we can able to just query the part of the list of numbers, and also do the reverse slicing and reverse indexing. So let me go to the PyCharm. So I will use a range function to generate a list of numbers. So I'll create a variable and then say list, and I'm going to use a range function, and I'm going to generate from 0 to 10 numbers, and then I'm going to just print it out. So here you're going to get the list of numbers from 0 to 10. Now I want the first 5 numbers. So how we can able to do? So I can just say print a of, just say 0. You have to put the range, or you can just put colon, because you have to specify from which to which. So I have to use a colon 0 to 5, from 0th position to 5 numbers, first 5 numbers. So you're going to get 0 to 5. So what happens, but if I want to get the list of numbers from the list, from the A list, I want to get all the numbers starting from the second position. This is from 0th position. So I can just say print a of, I can say 2 to, or length of A. So this is going to get from the second to the complete list. And there is also an easier way, because you are going to get the complete list, you can just put an empty thing. I can just say print a of from 2 to the list of numbers that you can able to specify. So you can get from 2 to 9. So these are the numbers that you can able to get it, all the numbers from second digit to the 9. And then what happens if you want to get the complete list? Instead of just print a of, you can just specify the range. Just give the range function, and it's going to think that you want to get the complete list. So you're going to get the suppose you want to get the list of numbers in steps of 2. So what I can do, I'll just say print, I can just specify 2. This becomes a step difference of 2. So I can just say, so you're going to get the step difference in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, because you're just specifying and if you want to get the step difference of 3, just specify 3. So it's going to get 0, 3, 6, 9. And what happens if you want to get the step difference, like I can just say a 0 to 6 numbers, first 6 numbers, and then in the step difference of 2. So first I'm going to get the digits from 0 to 6 range, and the step difference is 2. So you are going to get 0 to 4. So from 2 to 6, from 0 to 6, you are going to get the step difference of 2. What happens if I want to get step difference of 3? So 0 and 3. And what happens if you want to access the last element in the list? So you can just specify by using the negative numbers. So I can just say a of -1. So this one, you will get the last element in the list is 9. So when specifying, you just specify with the negative number. And what happens if you want to specify the last second number? Just say a of -2. You are going to get the 8. And what happens if you want to specify from second number, second position to the last second position? So I'm just saying start the number from the second position 0, 1, 2, 2 to till the -2 position. So whatever is a -2 position, 0, 1 and -2. So -2 is 7. So I have to specify colon 2 to -2. So you are going to get 2 starting at 2 position, because 0, 1, 2 position, and then you're going to specify -2 position is 7. So you're going to get the elements. What happens if you want to get the elements in the reverse order? So you have to specify the elements. I can just say -1. So it starts from -1 position and ends at 0. What happens if you want to get the elements starting from -2? So I can just say print of a, and then I'll have to specify from -2. So -2 is 0, 1, -2. So you're going to get in the step difference of -2. So what happens if you want to specify all the elements in the step difference? So this is a step difference of -1, and we're going to get the step difference starting from the reverse order of two elements. And this is what we have seen the list slicing. So what we have seen till now. So we have seen how we created the list and how we use the list methods. So what are the different types of list methods we have seen, and we have also seen the Python built-in functions on list like sum, max, minimum, and length. Explored array referencing and higher dimensional arrays such as two-dimensional arrays, how we can able to manipulate the higher dimensional arrays, and also we discussed in this section list slicing. So in the next section we are going to talk about the conditional, different types of conditional statements and logics and all those things. And thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Take care.